Hey, my name is Connor, and welcome to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto market. Tomorrow, November 2nd, is a massive day in the financial markets because of the FOMC meeting, and we'll be finding out the next interest rate hike here in the US. So right now, the crypto charts are all setting up for a massive move to the upside. So in this video, I'll be breaking down the charts and letting you know exactly what I see playing out tomorrow before, during, and after the FOMC meeting so that you can trade it properly and, of course, bank that coin. So if that does interest you, be sure to stick with me until the end of this video. Without further ado, let's get right into it and let the gains be with you. So we'll be hopping directly into the charts today and getting right down to business. And if you are brand new to Crypto Empire and you're not already subscribed to the channel, go ahead right now and smash the subscribe button down below and turn on all the notifications so that you don't miss any future videos. Now, taking a look at Bitcoin on the daily chart here, this is a cleaner chart that shows you all of the key levels to have marked down for tomorrow's FOMC meeting. As you can see here, we have the September open at around $20,120. We have the November open, which was this morning, at $20,477, basically $20,500, a key level on the chart. And up here we have the October high at $21,000. So this is a level that I do expect to be broken, and within a few days, most likely by the end of the week, I do expect price to be trading towards the September high around $22,700. If we look at any of the major indices right now, whether that's the stock market, the dollar, Bitcoin, the total crypto market cap, everything is breaking resistance levels and looking like it does want to point higher from here. So I'm very bullish on crypto in the short term. Now, with the FOMC meeting, it is very possible and almost likely that we're going to get a liquidation flush to the upside and downside. We've seen it all over the past few months where we'll have crazy whipsaw candles going in all directions during the FOMC meeting, and then we'll get the actual direction of the market after. So be very careful if you're trading this with leverage. It is very likely that we will get a bit of a flush before the actual move, which to me is going to be higher. I think we're going to be rocketing from here. We'll be going over a ton of altcoin charts in this video. Let's hop into a Bitcoin chart on the shorter term time frames here. So currently I am in a Bitcoin long position. Looking at the Crypto Empire Premium Discord group, I did actually take my entry here at 20,333 is where I actually got in. But I've looked to get in 20,370 and below. And I took my entry yesterday, Monday, October 31st. When price was trading down here. I'm still holding this long. The chart is looking quite bullish at the current moment in time. If we look on the really shorter term time frames, our key level here is 20,430, and price did break it, and we got trapped beneath it, squeezed some shorts, and we broke out again. We broke this trend line on the 15-minute chart, and we have popped back above that $20,430 resistance. We are looking to start pushing off from here. We will see how it does end up tonight and then before the FOMC meeting, but again, I'm expecting everything to be pushing higher here, but be prepared for a flush down lower first before the actual move higher. I'm currently already in a Bitcoin long. I have a decent entry on it. I do plan on holding it through tomorrow. We'll see how that goes. Could backfire with all the volatility, but I am willing to take the risk, and I'm okay with getting stopped out because I understand how to manage my risk properly where I won't blow my entire trading account if I lose one trade. So very important, but here on Bitcoin on the shorter term time frames, things are looking bullish. We are above resistance. We broke the trend line, looking for a push up higher here in the immediate short term. So we went over Bitcoin on the macro. The main levels to be looking out for, 22,700 is the main target to the upside I have that I am looking for. And what this means for altcoins is it's going to get a little bit crazy. It is very bullish for altcoins. A few trades that I have been covering in my videos, whether that's in the live stream or videos last week. One of them is Chili's. We were already in Chili's from 19 cents, and this has been a massive gainer for us. We are already up from entry to current price around 20%. The next target on this is going to be 26 cents and beyond. I think this has a lot more upside potential past 26 cents, but regardless, Chili's, I do expect to continue pushing up higher. This right now is one of the strongest coins in the market. Of course, there's Dogecoin. Elon bought Twitter, which is awesome, and Doge has went parabolic with that news. There's been no actual announcements about Dogecoin. This is all speculation that Elon will integrate Doge for Twitter payments, and the price has gone parabolic. We are at a major resistance level on the daily chart and a major supply zone. Looking all the way back to April, this was a local top, and we have went ahead and tested the same level. Now, personally, I'm quite bullish on the market right now. I think November is going to be a very strong month for the markets. So I do expect this supply zone to get shattered to the upside on Doge. I'm not looking to trade Doge right now. I may look to short it later on, but for now, this is a no play for me. I'm simply using it as an indicator on what the rest of the market is going to do, because Doge is the strongest coin in the market, up 10% today. It is basically taking Bitcoin's role as the market indicator here in the very, very short term. And Doge is very bullish right now. Now, some other positions that I am looking at. So Solana, I had a very good win over the weekend, and I don't think Solana is finished just yet. If we take a look at this chart on Sol, on what's going on. So previously entered over here at 31.25, and I rode that all the way up to around 32. It was a very good trade. And I'm not currently in the position, but I am looking to re-enter this one. As you can see, we are currently holding this support resistance flip level around 32.20, this gray box here. Price in that zone right now. This is a decent entry, in my opinion, but I have not re-entered because it is possible that we do drop down lower. My plan for the FOMC is very simple. I expect everything to pump, but if we get a sell-off initially, a scare sell-off, a bear trap, that is my cue to get long and strong very quickly. There's going to be a very short time window to go ahead and position yourself for that move. So if you want to find out exactly what I'm doing play by play, exactly when I do it, you need to get inside of the Crypto Empire Premium Discord group. All information about it can be found by hitting the first link down in the description below. It will take you to my official website, cryptoempireco.io. But again, if you want to find out exactly what I am doing, you need to go ahead and get yourself in the Discord. Anyways, regardless, Solana, I'm looking for continuation up higher here. Never actually got to my first initial target at 34.69. I do believe it's going to get shattered. I expect Solana to be trading between $37 and $40 within 2 to 3 days time after this FOMC meeting. I know I sound crazy bullish right now, but the charts are screaming breakouts to the upside. Now, just a few more before we go ahead and wrap it up. One coin that's not very popular but pretty well known, Band Protocol. If we take a look at Band on the daily chart, setting up for a massive move, right? We have a massive descending wedge on the daily here. Price is currently below some key resistance levels. The key for this one is if we come down to around $1.09, this green line, that's going to be an entry trigger here. Even better if we do get a wick down to the 106 to $1 demand level. This is really the prime juicy spot that I'm looking to get into Band for this descending wedge breakout that is very primed up, right? So if we get a dip down to 106 to 96 cents, definitely going to enter into a position here in anticipation of a major breakout. And again, with descending wedges, your profit target is always going to be the top of the wedge. So that's going to be around 250, but let's be a little bit realistic here, and we'll take what we can get on the profit side. A move to 180, 188 from here would be massive. We're looking at a gain of 80%. So Band Protocol added to your watch list. Extremely bullish looking chart. Simply going off of the technicals here, not necessarily the fundamentals. Technicals screaming for a massive breakout. This is not broken out yet like a lot of other charts on the market. I wanted to share it with you because it looks extremely bullish. Another one, Bitcoin Cash, same thing. Same thing, looks crazy bullish on the daily time frames. Price is coiling up at the apex, trying to break out from the resistance trend line. And we do have this red supply area, and you can see how the initial start of the red supply area is acting as the current resistance, coming into play at $118, I should say. So again, the trigger, it will be best if we get a wick down into the lower demand area, and that's going to come in initially at around $1 or $108, I should say. So if we get something like this, flash wick down into demand, I would look to enter again for a big move to the upside here. Bitcoin Cash purely going off of the technicals, setting up for a massive breakout here. Some other positions that I've shared, I'm in this VeChain long. I've been in VeChain for some time now, waiting for this to go ahead and pop. If we look at VET, also very bullish, broke out above this trend line. And the main support resistance flip level is at 0.0235, this teal line here, teal dotted line I have on the chart. Price is above it, using it as support. We want to see this line continue to hold support. Very possible we get a flash wick tomorrow. That's an entry trigger. If we get any wicks down, I'm going to be buying that dip. Again, we'll have a very short window of time to go ahead and do that with the FOMC. But anyways, VeChain above resistance right now, broke this trend line, ready for a huge move. Add it to the watch list. I'm already positioned in this one. I can go on and on and on. I can share so many charts with you. RSR as well. Watching RSR, waiting for this big breakout here. Wedged between support and resistance. We got a bunch of wicks to resistance. Keep on getting sold off though. Holding support. Watch this one. Add it to your watch list. It would be ideal if we come back down to this yellow dotted line at 0.00563. I would definitely look to take an entry here at this yellow dotted line, or even better would be in this demand level down here on RSR. But there's a possibility we might not even dip back down. We could just pump instantly at the FOMC meeting if we get a 50 basis point rate hike. It is possible. If we get that news, we most likely won't get any dips now, and it's just going to be up. So be prepared. This is going to be a wild day tomorrow. Charts are screaming breakout. Charts are screaming launch pad, ready to take off, rocket ship. Be prepared. Chain link one more before we go ahead and wrap up the video. I shared link in the live stream this previous Sunday, and from that we did get around a 13% move if we look, or a 10% move I should say. So congratulations to anybody who made money on that link call from the live stream on Sunday. Price is coming back down into that entry zone. I would look for a test again of the bottom of my gray box here around $7 on a flash wick down. That would be a great place to enter, around $7 on link if we get it. I'm not in any position on link, but in this video I really just did some rapid fire technical analysis, taking a look at the market, getting you prepared for tomorrow during the FOMC meeting. I'm very bullish. I'm expecting volatility, but after the volatility concludes, I think the direction is going to be up, up, and up. I hope that you did enjoy the video. If you did, make sure you let me know by smashing that like button down below. So in this video, we went over the cryptocurrency charts. I share with you my technical analysis in preparation for tomorrow's FOMC meeting. November 2nd, we will be finding out the next interest rate hike. It is expected to be 75 basis points. If we come in lower at 50 basis points, expect a rocket ship from the markets. If we come in at 0.75, expect volatility. And after all the volatility concludes, I do expect things to start to move up. Of course, Jerome Powell will be speaking afterwards. That could affect the markets. But the way the charts look right now, just going purely off the technicals, resistance levels getting broken, support levels holding, everything is pointing towards up. I'm already positioned in a few long trades, and I will look to get into more tomorrow at the time of the FOMC meeting. I hope that you did enjoy the video. If you did, smash that like button down below. If you're brand new to Crypto Empire and not already subscribed to the channel, go ahead right now and smash that subscribe button down below and turn on all notifications so that you don't miss any future videos. And of course, my name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and I will see you in the next video.